everyone. Welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen for the recipe of the week and cooking some sea bass.
Yeah. Okay, I get you. So yeah, we're gonna cook some sea bass up. You know, it's sea bass season. You know, we're gonna have some on hand. So we're gonna do some steamed sea bass with steamed with a Chinese black bean sauce and a Jade Pesto rice.
I didn't know there were Chinese black beans.
Yes, and you know, I have them here.
Okay.
So here they are here.
They look pretty appetizing.
Yeah, I know. They're salted, they're fermented.
Oh, you can see the salt right on them.
Oh yeah. So you have to rinse them, or else they're going to be way too salty. I mean, there's no way around it.
Okay.
Okay, so I already rinsed these guys, and then I kind of coarsely chopped them up.
So they're almost like a paste.
You know, kind of coarse.
You know.
So there you go.
Okay.
Okay. So, but first we're going to deal with our sea bass, and so this is just a regular old, you know, steamer basket. I call it the UFO. You know, pretty much everybody probably has one of these. And I sliced up some daikon, but you could use some potato. Daikon's a Chinese radish.
Radish.
Yeah. Or Japanese radish, actually.
How did they start out?
Oh, they could be big. I mean, they could be, you know, like that big around.
So you just peeled it?
So I just peeled it. I sliced it really thin. I just wanted something else. I was making some kimchi, so I was like, oh, I'll save that piece for steaming.
See. Okay.
Okay.
So
no seasoning. Make sure.
Because of the salt.
The salt level already here. We don't want to take it over top.
All right.
Okay. If you wanted to, you can. Chinese love white pepper. So if you want to put a little white pepper on there, absolutely, go do that.
All right.
Okay, so that's steaming away. We'll actually switch it to the back. Okay.
That pan warmed
Okay,
up?
now we're going to work on our Chinese black bean sauce.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start with our black beans.
Load up the pan.
Okay. A little bit of ginger, probably like about a teaspoon. Let's do like a tablespoon of garlic.
Okay.
I'll be nice to you this time.
Be a little bit nice.
Okay.
Yes.
I also have some Szechuan Peppercorn. This is optional. This is what it is there. It's the prickly ash. Everybody thinks it's true peppercorn. It's not. This is a very traditional Chinese ingredient.
Red pepper.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a very traditional, and some people will eat this and go, "Wow, why does my tongue feel numb?" That's that feeling that it is that. I know it doesn't really sell the thing, but it's it's just a very traditional spice, and it's, you know, you just use it sparingly.
Can't feel your tongue when you're chewing.
Not like that. Just like kind of weird, you know, kind of different,
just a different kind of feeling. Yeah.
So I took that and I just put it in the spice grinder, ground it up fine. You do not want it. You don't really want to put these whole. They're not very appealing to get a whole one in your mouth.
Okay.
You know, sometimes you have maybe whole peppercorns. That's okay. I can deal with it. Mm-hmm. Not that. Okay. You need to either pull them out. Some people will saute them in a little oil and then pull them out and just use the oil, or they grind them up. So either one of those techniques is good.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah.
We need just a little bit more oil. And our fish is steaming away.
All right.
Okay. So
saute that up.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay, our garlic is fragrant now.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Right?
That's for sure.
We're going to add just a teaspoon of sesame oil, a teaspoon of soy sauce.
Probably not too heavy on that with the sodium.
Because we're already a little heavy on our salt already from the black beans. Shaoxing. Yeah. A little bit of green onions, a little bit of, probably about a tablespoon of each. Okay. I'm going to add a little touch of water to kind of bring this together. So yeah, our sauce is going to take like a couple minutes to come together here. Our fish is almost there.
All right.
So
we
yeah.
have a little while, or?
Yeah, we have a little while.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and shoot it back to you guys in the studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen, and we're finishing up this sea bass
Yes, the sea bass. Uh-huh.
So what's left?
So if you're just joining us now, we're doing a steamed sea bass with a Chinese black bean sauce over Jade Pesto rice. So we have our fish, it's already done. Our black bean sauce is already done. It smells amazing, super,
Yes, it does.
super strong and potent, and it's going to be
Pow.
pow. Yeah. A little salty, a little spicy, a little bit of everything. So now we're going to finish up doing our pesto, our Jade Pesto. So this is all this is a different version of a pesto.
Okay.
So, essentially, you're going to have some kind of herbs. So we're going to throw a couple different herbs
my
in here.
basil plant apart.
Yeah.
I don't
What
keep
it's
them
for.
alive for long anyway,
what it's
so
for,
might as
though.
well use it.
Right? So we got some cilantro in there. Got some green
Put a little
onions.
extra in there.
A little extra? Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit of ginger. Remember, ginger's really strong, so don't go too crazy.
Right.
A little bit of garlic. I'm doing my version. It's going to be a little bit of cashews in there.
That I see you added at the last minute in the
Hey.
break. Yeah.
Inspiration.
Making it up as you go. Oh,
Inspiration, okay.
That's what the chefs call it. Yeah.
And we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Little oil.
Just a little bit of oil just to give it some viscosity
Texture too.
Well, to kind of make things work here.
Yeah.
This is the part of
Not so
of
dry.
a food processor that you need to kind of deal with, especially when you're running with just such a small amount. You just scrape it down. And make sure all that sides, because those are thrown up there, and you'll have big bits up here, and then all the stuff on the bottom is all pureed. So just
I'm backing away this time.
scrape it down. Good. All right. So if you could put that into
Sure.
there, and I'll work on the rice.
Okay.
Of course, I'm using my favorite, short grain rice or cow rose rice.
Short grain.
Yep.
This is still pretty thick.
I want it to be thick.
Yep. Pick up the mess.
Look at that color.
Wow.
This beautiful, vibrant green color. That's what we wanted.
Step your way. Looking good, Chef. Smells amazing in here.
Okay, we're ready to plate.
So you mixed it all in the rice. Okay.
Yep, mix all in the rice. I'm trying to keep it all on the spot. Take care of that, please. Okay, and then we're going to gently remove our fish. And this is the reason why I put some kind of buffer down, is because of this right here.
Oh.
Because you're going to try to pick this up and you're going to shred it.
Oh boy.
Yep, see? Exactly.
Yeah.
It's exactly what I thought the problem was going to be. So,
Gonna use both.
yeah, I'm going to use both. Okay, so we're going to go like that.
You
Okay, and then,
those on there?
yeah, no,
Oh,
yeah, go ahead and take those.
okay.
And then here's our beautiful Chinese black bean sauce. There you
Wow.
go. And yeah, there you go.
Another amazing dish, of course.
There you go.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's say it real quick.
Okay.
So yeah, this is meant to be strong. It's it's a very flavorful, very traditional ingredients for Chinese. So yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
All right.
Easy.
Yeah.
Right?
Easy.
All right.
All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and dig in, and we're going to throw it back to the guys in the studio.